In this video, I'm going to show you how to put audio in CapCut PC. So basically, it's pretty easy. Just follow the steps I do. As you can see, I've already edited video on our timeline. And what if we want to add some audios? As you can see in my library, I already have some of them, but how can we basically import them to our project? If you have audio on your computer, all you need to do is just to do the same thing as with video. So just click on import right up here and then just choose them from your computer. This is the first way. And after that, just edit on our timeline. We also have the option from this app to record our voice or something like this. So to do this, on our timeline here, just find the record button, and if we'll click here, we can see the settings. We can choose the input device, the volume, and if we'll click on this red button, the recording will be started. So for example, this is just a test. So as you can see, I've successfully added some audio, so now we can deal with it. And I think it was pretty easy. So this is a way how we can put our audio on CapCut PC. I hope guys this tutorial was helpful. Please watch my other videos about this program. Goodbye.